Welcome to Quick Introduction to Canva. Canva is a powerful tool that can help you create stunning visuals within ease. What exactly is Canva? Canva is an online design platform that offers a wide range of templates and tools to create everything from social media graphics to presentations, posters, and even videos. Getting started with Canva is very simple. Just head over to canva.com and sign up for a free account. Let's sign up. Okay, so I'm continuing with my already signed in account. Yes, so I have logged in. So once you are logged in, you will be greeted with a very user-friendly interface. This is very easy to understand. The search bar is at the top, and to quickly find the templates and the elements. On the left, you can explore various template categories. Okay, like clicking the templates, we can choose from the various templates that are available in Canva. So can you see the variety? We can create thumbnails, reels, poster, collections, documents, logos, CVs, resumes, presentation, Instagram post, and whatnot. The center of the dashboard. Now, going back to the home, the center of the dashboard that is named as the recent design shows your recent designs. So, when you're working on a project and you are not able to complete it in one sitting, and the Canva automatically saves your design, and when you come back, you can easily access them from this recent design tab. Okay, and also you can find them in the projects tab here on the left. Project panel, as I already told you, stores the projects that you have worked on or that you have completed. Now the next is the templates that I already told you have many categories from which you can choose and design according to your needs. Other tab is the brand tab that comes with a pro version of Canva, in which you can select your brand colors, your logo. You can customize everything that is necessary for social media branding, right? So according to your brand. Okay, now the next tab is apps, which is more related to the AI, artificial intelligence, where you can give prompts to create an image or create a video that we will cover later in this course. Then we have creator team. If you are working in a office, a team of designers is there, and everyone has to give their input to a particular design. Then you can create a team. Okay, and that is the trash bin. Okay, now design spotlight, you have the templates again. Business, Canva gives very many business solutions. You can when there is a need of marketing a business, you can easily do it with Canva because it offers many solutions. It offers you marketing brochures, flyers, videos, social media posts, video ads, everything you need to presentations, everything you need for visualizing your business. And education, like it allows you to make case studies, LMS integration, and many resources that a student need, like presentation or ebooks, etc. You can do it with Canva. Okay, now this tab is for the app download, that is for mobile phones. Settings of Canva, notification, and from here you can create a design. So moving on, this is the brief introduction of how Canva looks like. and in the next video we will create a social media post. Bye.